let's start.
Guys, Lera left all for me.
Oh my God.
Cutlets are dangerous. This one really melts in your mouth though. Really.
You definitely should try it. Hi everyone, welcome to Mike and Lera food channel.
Hi everyone.
Hope guys you're having a nice day. Today on our menu we're having very delicious and tender chicken cutlets with cheese and side. Let's dig in.
Looks delicious.
Looks delicious. Delicious with such face. Joe, let's start.
It's very thick.
It's very thick, yes.
Very, it's like amazing.
I will take, but I want
This
to
cutlets.
cut.
Oh my god. Guys, Lera left all for me.
So tender and juices.
It's very juicy. And the cheese inside, like making it like.
Oh, that's so nice.
Breadcrumbs from outside, right?
So unbelievable, huh?
It's like your mouth is like full of flavors.
It's like this melting and spreading everywhere.
Amazing disaster. Nice. This one really melts in your mouth though. Really. Chicken sauteed there even inside and juicy. Are you sure this is for adults? It's not baby food?
No, actually that will be also very good
For children.
Children, they will love it for sure. nice. It really looks nice. It's so delicious.
Make a very nice combination with the cheese.
And this cheese, it's white cheddar. So nice, this flavor. I love it.
So thick, so big. By the way, one piece, like really.
For
I
adults,
think like 3, 4 for adults, and that's it.
maybe enough. You will be full.
Of course, guys, all the ingredients in the description down below. You'll find everything.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And press like on this video.
Try to do the cutlets, try the taste, and let us know what you think.
You definitely should try it. Unbelievable, so beautiful.
And it's filling, huh? Again.
Just like this separate dish. No need something else. Only greens, maybe.
You don't even need any sauce on top.
Yes, no need. It's so juicy, so tender, soft, moist. Like.
We have everything.
Hope guys you like this recipe.
And let us know what you think. Don't forget. Yeah. And we're gonna continue doing this now.
This feast.
Feast. See you guys.
Bye.